Traveling through Hong Kong and China was both a surprising and an amazing experience. The rich culture, traditions, and history were both different but interesting. Especially the amount of technology, materials, and manufacturers that were readily available were beyond my initial expectations. The amount of innovation and growth in areas such as Shenzhen and startups within Hong Kong was eye-opening to see such rapid growth over such a short period of time. Each startup had a story, a reason, and a targeted problem to resolve. And having to work in multidisciplinary teams, we could relate to these projects. Being part of Team UVU, we defined mobility as the long-term well-being of an individual. Using our personal experiences and stories, we realized we wanted to help people. We wanted to create a safer future. And the best way was by educating children so that they could habitually be ingrained with healthy habits. And of course, this idea starts with ideation and conceptualization. Initially, the design incorporated the use of flexible LED strips and solar panels, but the design still did not cater to young children. We ran into several design barriers trying to figure out how to simplify the design whilst keeping it effective. Hence came out the birth of Muji, our sun buddy, designed to easily communicate and teach young children the importance of sun safety. Without our computer science students, we especially struggled with coding. We ran into errors continuously before we were able to resolve it. We were ecstatic once we figured out how to upload images to the e-ink screens. Using my past knowledge of liquid silicon and silicon molds, I was able to incorporate this skill to help rapid prototype our design. However, we still face limitations and time constraints, such as the 3D printed molds. They ideally could be smoother if we had more time, but also purchasing materials from Taobao was highly experimental, especially since the liquid silicon was different to what I was used to using. Overall, the design met our resolve, and we have high hopes for the potential wearable technology opportunities that UVU can branch into.